Hello and welcome to the BigBasket channel. Organized home is everyone's dream, and for that, we all need organizers to keep various things in place. These days, many organizers are available in the market, but finding right organizers that don't include any cost is like the cherry on the cake. So today, let me show you some simple, no-cost organizers that might be available at your home itself. Also, here is an amazing giveaway that can help you win an exciting voucher from BigBasket. Watch this video till the end and write in the comments how many no-cost organizers I'll use in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the BigBasket channel and write your answers in the comment section to get a chance to win the exciting voucher from BigBasket. Now, let's begin our video. Many of our grocery items come in different jars, and these can be reused as amazing organizers in the house. The kitchen includes so many items, and the only way to find them at the right time is by organizing them nicely, and that is where these jars come in handy. Not only do they help in organizing the pantry, but also can be used while storing anything in the house, from groceries to stationeries to art and craft. But why stick to just storing items when they can help you achieve more? I use these jars to also keep my straws, spoons, fork, etc. together. Since these jars can hold vertical items very well, they make ideal holders for organizing such things. Not only glass jars, but even plastic jars can be reused in various ways. I use many to store my kids' toys and stationery items. But another way could be to hold the strings together. Just make a hole in the lid of the jar and pull the end of the string out. This way, the string will stay together in a bundle and you will not have to juggle to find the ends. I am using the puja string, but you can use any other. Cardboard boxes are very common with home deliveries these days, and the best part is that they are very sturdy and can hold quite some weight. Pull the sides down as it helps in holding the shape of this box, and now you have a no-cost basket ready to put anything and everything. No need to buy separate baskets, as these boxes can easily replace them to organize a lot of your home stuff. I use them to store my extra toiletries, kids' toys, and other household items. Similarly, these boxes come in very handy in storing my extra pantry items. I just cluster similar items in one box to organize everything well. Other than delivery boxes, we also get many small cardboard boxes. This one came with a coffee mug, which I'll use to organize my kitchen drawer. A lot of small items make the drawer look very messy. So, I'll put all the small knickknacks in this box and keep them in the drawer. And with this, suddenly the drawer looks organized and some extra space is also created. Many a times we buy separate liners to keep the shelves clean, not knowing that they already exist with us. Bigger shopping bags come in very handy for lining purposes. Similarly, bubble wrap can also be used to cover the shelves. They are tough plastics and can be placed anywhere in the house. Use them to line your drawers, cupboards, open shelves, or wherever needed. No need to buy separate liners, just collect them and place them as it is. Similarly, the bubble wraps are best to place the crockery on top. They give the right cushioning and avoid any scratches on the wood or glass shells. So next time you get your hands on any of the plastic sheets or bubble wraps, you know how to reuse it. Another no-cost organizer is the paper bags that come in all shapes and sizes. You can easily replace them with baskets as they can store lightweight items very conveniently. The fact that these are use and throw make them even more favorable as organizers. I often use them to organize my fridge, especially the vegetable drawer which needs visibility from the top. Paper bags wins over plastic containers or baskets as they accommodate more items since they can take the shape to adjust the items well. And these are the no-cost organizers for you all. I hope this video was helpful. Do like this video and share it with friends and family. Also, don't forget to participate in the giveaway and subscribe to the BigBasket channel to have the opportunity to win exciting vouchers from BigBasket. And I'll see you in the next video very soon.